Hello everyone, once again we are back with an informative video. So if you are a professional, you might already know about LinkedIn, right? Here in this video, we will help you building a solid LinkedIn profile as well as we will show you how you can find a job on LinkedIn despite you being from any background. But before moving further, let me tell you what is LinkedIn and why do we need to be active on it in just some seconds. Guys, LinkedIn is a social media platform designed specifically for professionals to connect and network with each other. Here, you can create a profile that showcases your work, experience, education, skills, and other professional achievements. You can also search for job openings, connect with other professionals in your industry or field, and you can share updates about your work and career. And if you want to know more about LinkedIn and the tips to build a LinkedIn profile, then you can check out our video on top tips to build a best LinkedIn profile. The link is given in the description below. With this, let's proceed further and know how you can use LinkedIn job search feature. Once your profile is ready, you can start searching for jobs on LinkedIn. Here, we have come up with some quick tips to use LinkedIn job search feature. Guys, firstly you need to go to Jobs tab on top menu bar. Here, you can enter job title, keywords and location in the search bar to see relevant job postings. Also, there is a filter button on the left hand side of the page to refine your search by job function, industry, company, experience level and more. Guys, you can easily apply to jobs directly from LinkedIn by submitting your resume and cover letter through the platform. Additionally, you can also use the LinkedIn to research the company and learn more about the job before you apply. To do this, you just need to use easy apply option to apply for jobs with just a few clicks if the employer has offered this feature. Also, you can use LinkedIn's job search alerts to receive notifications for job openings that match your search criteria. Plus, you can track your job search progress by keeping a record of jobs you have applied to and following up with the employers if necessary. Moreover, LinkedIn's networking feature can be used to connect with people in your industry, learn about the job openings, and get referral for jobs. With this, moving on to the next step, which is to apply for jobs. So when you find a job that interests you, click on the posting to view the job description and requirements. If you meet the qualifications, you can apply for the job just by clicking on the apply button. Some job postings may require you to answer additional questions or submit a cover letter and a resume. Just after that, the next step is to create network on LinkedIn. Guys, this is one of the essential steps. So in addition to using LinkedIn's job search feature, it's important to build a network on the platform too. This networking can help you connect with professionals in your field, learn about new job opportunities and get referrals. You can search for people in your industry and send them a connection request or join LinkedIn's group related to your professionals to connect with like-minded individuals. Additionally, you can also follow several organizations. So if you are interested in working for a specific company, you can follow them on LinkedIn to stay updated on their job openings, companies' news and industries insights. This also gives you an opportunity to engage with companies' employees and recruiters, which helps you stand out as a candidate when you apply for a job. With this to recap, we discussed the various ways you can leverage LinkedIn to find job opportunities, like setting up job alerts, utilizing job search feature, and networking with professionals in your industry. We also highlighted the importance of having strong LinkedIn profile and how you can optimize it to increase your visibility to potential employers. Remember guys, finding a job can be daunting, but with the right tools and strategies, you can increase your chances of landing your dream job. So go ahead and give these tips a try. We wish you best of luck in your career journey. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Till then, happy learning.